all of this traffic for a ramp. We are not going anywhere. My job wanted to tell me we had to wait until the first worker got home before we could leave. And yeah, I know it's BS. And this is what we are stuck in. The Jeep behind me has spun out 3 times. The car in front of me and me have been sitting at this light now for 2 lights because no one is going anywhere. Because this is what we are dealing with. What? Yeah, everybody's on the road. Everybody's trying to go home. Yep. This is what Virginia gets for being mad at the freaking meteorologists. Hey, I don't know. Florida got hurricanes. Look, buddy. Oh, here we go.